Hello children. So today let's do something different. Today I'll not teach you English. I'll teach you how to make a sandwich, veg sandwich. Okay, so first of all, the ingredients. We'll take a grated cucumber, then finely grated carrot and one finely chopped onion, one tomato and 2 chilli. You may add other ingredients according to your choice and according to the availability. We'll take a bowl and we will keep all the ingredients in the bowl. An onion, tomato. You may reduce the quantity according to your choice. If you don't like tomato, you may use less or you may remove. These are 2 chilies. This quantity can be according to your choice. After that, we'll use mayonnaise for binding. For binding all these ingredients, you may use any other thing also. You may use grated potato. Grated potato also can be used for binding if you don't have mayo or if you don't like mayo. So that is your choice. And we will mix it well. You may use little more mayo if you like. One spoon of salt, white salt, and little black salt. You may use red chili or you may not, that is your wish. Sprinkle little black pepper or you may add a small pinch of black pepper. Again, these ingredients also you may add or remove according to your choice. Again, mix them well. You may use garam masala if you want. Now let's make sandwich, and for that I have heated a pan. You may take any pan. Grease it with oil. I am taking ghee. Put the stove on low flame. You may remove the edges of bread. Or without using oil also. So it's completely your choice. Keep it simple. Use the ingredients which you have, which you like. everyone in the family. I'm sure you will make it.